All right, get ready to pay more at the pump as the United States' war with Iran continues.
CBS 8's Richard Allen is working for your wallet and has more on how much drivers can expect to pay later this week, as well as the ripple effect on San Diego's economy. Richard?
Well, Steve and Steffi, that's right. Some analysts expect to see the price of gas creep up 5 to 10 cents a day, at least in the short term, meaning by week's end, we could see the cost of a gallon of gas go up by 30 cents. Now, this all comes as the more expensive summer blend in California is coming online, meaning a double whammy for San Diego drivers.
Unfortunately, we do have some higher prices coming for both gasoline and diesel.
Patrick DeHaan is head of petroleum analysis at GasBuddy, which tracks the least expensive fuel in cities around the country. Over the next week or two, he expects the price of gas to rise by as much as 30 cents a gallon and the price of diesel to increase by as much as 50 cents.
It will be a noticeable jump at the pump, but it likely will be temporary as well.
DeHaan says the greatest risk right now is the Strait of Hormuz, a vital waterway that runs along the southern coast of Iran, providing access to 20% of the world's oil supply.
Confidence is the name of the game when it comes to the Strait of Hormuz. Nobody really has confidence right now to transit through the strait, and that's why oil prices are reacting.
Already, the violence is disrupting oil shipments. There have been several reports of incidents of oil tankers being damaged off the Gulf Coast and surrounding waters.
The oil tankers are not going through it as missiles are flying, and in fact, we've got reports of at least 4 tankers that have diverted away or are dropping anchor.
Here at home, the expected rise in fuel prices would mean less money for San Diegans to spend elsewhere, including for Mesa College student Joe Nava.
I definitely would notice that. I don't think I'd be able to afford a little In-N-Out, which I just had, so that would be a bummer.
And Nava wouldn't be alone in having to cut out more discretionary spending.
It'll have an impact then throughout the local economy.
USG economics professor Alan Jin has done the math.
My estimate is that for every cent that the price of a gallon of gasoline goes up, that takes $1 million a month out of the local economy. People are spending that money then on gasoline when they could have been eating out or buying clothes or something along those lines.
Jin points out this rise in fuel prices coincides with the transition to California's more environmentally friendly and more expensive summer blend, which can increase gas prices by 15 to 20 cents a gallon.
That's a bad combination in the sense that if you have gas prices rising due to the disruption here, and then the transition to a summer blend, that could be a big sticker shock for California drivers.
And to avoid that sticker shock, GasBuddy actually tracks the cheapest gas in your area on its website, prices that are constantly being updated. So for more information on that, just go to cbs8.com, click on the online version of this story.